everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. It's breakfast time. I'm going to make kind of an unusual sausage and egg breakfast, but it's going to be really good, so stick around, check this out. I'm going to take some Jimmy Dean sausage, because Jimmy Dean is absolutely my favorite, and I'm just going to cut it up into like 3 pieces. Maybe if you accidentally get one a little bit the wrong size, you can just pop the covers off each one of these, just like this. Pop them off there. You know, Jimmy Dean is the best sausage. It's like Oscar Mayer bacon. As far as I'm concerned, there's only one bacon. It's a little tough to get off there. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my patty here, and I'm just going to press it in my hand just to make a ball. Just like this. And this gets better. I'm going to show you my trick in a minute. Just got to get these all pressed in a ball. Just like this, and then let's get them on the heat. So here's the burner. Actually, I'm going to wash my hands first. The first thing before cooking is Pam, and I almost forgot that. If you've ever forgot to put Pam in your rice cooker before you cook, you'll know what it's like if you forget. There we go. Then I will just take plastic glove while that gets hot. You know, after you wash your hands, it's real hard with a plastic glove. Put that on the grill, just like this. Let them sit just for about a minute. Alright, I'm just going to use my big flipper and flip these over and get this cooked. You know, fresh sausage, and especially Jimmy Dean, is just absolutely my favorite for breakfast. It's a breakfast sausage of the Diabetic Diet Show. I don't know Jimmy Dean, but I wouldn't mind meeting him, because I would tell him how good I like his sausage. This is also the first time that I'm using this carbon steel grill on this new stove that I got. I don't know if it's been a month or 2 ago. Tell you, works well. Laying it all out here. I'm going to try putting it in 3 piles real fast. See if I can do it that way. Now we have 3 sausage piles. And I turned off the heat. I have some pepper. Pepper on these. And some salt. Not a lot. And then I'm going to pour my egg very carefully right on top. think I'll make a little bit of a well here. And we just let them cook for a little bit, and that's what they're going to look like. Now I'm going to throw a cookie sheet over them, just like that, to keep the heat in. Now they should be done. So let's just pull this off here real carefully. Just like that. Wow, they look great. Let them sit for 1 minute. And here we go. We have it all set. Looks really nice. Just grab this one right here in the middle. Just put that on a plate. Just like that. And now, of course, if you want, you can put cheese. So I have 2 different kinds of cheeses, whatever kind of cheese you like. If you like cheddar, put some cheddar on it. If you like mozzarella, put mozzarella on it. If you like it with no cheese, there you go. So that's my quick tip for the day. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.